Hey boys and girls, in this lesson we are going to stretch some words with our special sounds called sound buddies. Remember, when we have two consonants together and we can hear both the sounds, we call them sound buddies. All right, listen carefully. I see this word lap. So I'm going to stretch the word lap. Here I go. Lap. How many sounds were in the word lap? You're right, there were 3 sounds. What was the vowel sound? A, like in apple. So we know that that is a short sound because it says a, like in apple. Nice job. Let's stretch that word lap again. Are you ready? Lap. Now let's do something special to the word lap. We're going to add a new sound to the beginning of their word. Our new word is k. Now let's say those sounds. Here we go. Ready? K, clap. Oh, we made the word clap. Nice job. The first 2 sounds are k, Those are called sound buddies because they're 2 consonants right next to each other, but I can hear both sounds. K, clap. We're going to do a little experiment with the sounds in clap. We know clap has 4 sounds, but I'm going to take one of those sounds away. So I took away k. What's left? Lap. Nice job. Our new word was lap. If we take away the sound k, we have the word lap left. Oh, let's say those sounds in clap again. Are you ready? K, clap. Remember, the first 2 sounds in clap are sound buddies. Sound buddies are 2 consonant sounds next to each other where each one makes its own separate sound. These buddies like to be very close to each other, but they're still 2 different sounds. It's just like you and your best friend. You can spend a lot of time right next to each other, but then you go away and do different things because you're 2 different people. We can take away the sounds who are sound buddies and the other sound stays the same. Let's do another word with sound buddies. Here is our word lash, as in I blinked to get the lash out of my eye. Let's stretch it together. Ready? Lash. Nice job. How many sounds did we hear? You're right, we heard 3 sounds. What vowel sound did you hear? What guide word goes with a? You're right, a like in apple. Is a short or long? You're right, it's short because a is the first sound in apple. Say those sounds in lash with me again. Ready? Lash. Nice job. Now we're going to add the sound to the beginning. Let's say our sounds. Flash. Ooh, good job. We made the new word flash. Flash is a quick, bright light. The flash from the camera was bright when we took the picture. Which 2 sounds would be our sound buddies? You're right. And are sound buddies because they like to be near each other like good buddies, but they still have 2 different sounds. We're going to be stretching some more words that have consonant sound buddies. Here's our word flight. Can you guys help me stretch out flight? Remember, I want you to grab your word and hold up your fingers. Ready? Flight. Flight. How many sounds did you hear? Ooh, you're right. There were 4. What was the vowel sound? I. Is I long or short? You're right. I is long because I is the name of the letter I. Nice job. Let's do our next word, flip. Get ready to grab it. Flip. 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 Nice job. How many sounds did you hear? 4. What was the vowel sound? Is short or long? You're right, it's short because is the first sound in itch. Let's do our next word, smash. Get ready to grab smash with me. Smash. 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 How many sounds did you hear? Good job. 4. What was the vowel sound? Is short or long? You're right, because is the first sound in apple. That is a short sound. Let's do the word smile. Get ready to grab it. Smile. Smile. How many sounds did you hear? 4. What vowel sound did you hear? Is I short or long? You're right, it's long. How do we know it's long? Because I is the name of the letter I. Good job. Let's grab and stretch the word brush. Here we go. Brush. Brush. How many sounds did you hear? 4. Good job. What was the vowel sound? Is short or long? You're right, it's short. How do we know? Because is the first sound in up. Nice job, boys and girls. I would like you to now stretch these words for somebody at your house. I want you to stretch brick, grass, grape, and slice. Nice job.